Good afternoon, friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. Tonight we are going to make some navy bean soup. So come on along while we get this going. All right, friends, so here are our navy beans. So there are two ways that you can go ahead and cook these. There's a quick method and then an overnight method. So we're going to go ahead and go with the quick method because I want to have this for dinner tonight. Once I notice this comes to a boil, I'll go ahead and count for 2 minutes and we will be back. All right, we've got a boil, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on the timer for 2 minutes. All right, friends, it has been 2 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off this heat and we're gonna put our lid on, put this over to the side, and that's gonna go for 1 hour. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the timer again. And I'll see y'all back in an hour. All right, my friends, it has been an hour that our beans have been soaking. So now we're gonna go ahead and rinse this water. I'm gonna go ahead and fill this back up. I'm gonna go ahead and let this water start coming up to temperature. When you're making your navy bean soup, you've got to have a ham hock, which we've got, and it's still got lots of meat on it. I just stuck this in the freezer and waited until I was going to use it. Now, because that's frozen, it's going to take it a little while for it to come up to temperature. So we're going to go ahead and get this going while we work on our veggies. All right, for our veggies, we're going to go simple with some carrots and some celery. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and peel and chop our veggies, and then I'll go wash them before we put them in. My veggies all chopped up. I'll go ahead and give them a nice rinse. All right, I'm gonna slip my beans back in here because they're gonna need a lot more time to cook. And my veggies, once that water comes up to a nice boil, I'll go ahead and add my veggies. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my chicken bouillon. So that way the beans soak up some good flavor. I'll go ahead and chop up an onion too. All right, friends, so our beans have come up to a boil. Now I'm just gonna let this go until my beans have softened. All right, friends, so our beans are still going. They are still boiling. So we're gonna go ahead and do our vegetables that we already chopped up. I'm gonna go in with my skillet with some lard here. You can use butter, whatever you have. I'm gonna go in with my onions, and my carrots and my celery. When you saute your veggies like this before adding them to a soup, it just brings out so much more flavor. So I always saute veggies first before they go in my soup. All right, friends, so my veggies are all cooked down. Now we're gonna go ahead and add them in our soup pot. I did come through here and add some pepper. I didn't catch that on camera, but I did put pepper in here. And now I'm just gonna let this come back up to temperature, and then we're gonna wait until these beans have completely cooked. All right, friends, so I went ahead and gave this a try to see where our beans were at, and they are practically done. So I'm gonna go in with some tongs, and we're gonna take out our ham hock so that we can get it shredded up and cut up to put back in. All right, friends, so it's not much, but really it's the flavor of the meat that you really want in the soup. All right, I'll go ahead and give this a stir. Look at that. Don't that look delish? All right, friends, so our navy bean soup is all done. I don't know if you can tell, but this is definitely like thickened up. You can tell that all of the liquid has pretty much been absorbed into our beans. So we're gonna go ahead and give this a try. All right, friends, our soup is done. It smells amazing. Let's go in for the taste test. That is so good. The beans are cooked to perfection, and that was only a couple of hours versus having to wait all night pre-soaking them. We got it done in just a couple hours. You definitely got to give this a try, friends. It is absolutely amazing. All right, friends, let me know in the comments what you think about it. And until next time, friends, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.